Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is still Monday, November 6, 2017. This is my post-market wrap-up for today. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a suit, well, I just got back from my friend's 94th birthday party, Pearl Harbor survivor, amazing guy. I wanted to get this video out, so here I am. This should come as no surprise to any of you out here that follow this blog. This Saturday, I said this market was going to hit new records this week. Well, today, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the S&P 500, and the NASDAQ all hit new record highs. This is a risk-on environment, people. However, we're going to talk about something in just a minute here. Today as well, like I talked about in the video that I did earlier today, volatility dropped. Bond market, very important, didn't do too much of anything, and this is huge. The bond market is huge. You know that if you follow this blog here. Let me just say this real quick. You want to beat this market? You don't watch the stock market. You watch the bond market, for which you can do in real time right on my website, traderschoice.net. I set it all up for you. So it could not be easier. Okay. So the bond market right now is not sending any major signal of anything. Rates are doing what they're doing, and the stock market seems to love it here, quite obviously. New records across the board today. Volatility dropping tells me this market is going higher in this environment. So today's record high is probably not the last one we're going to get this week. Gold and silver, or the derivatives of GLD and SLV, huge gains today. I mean, in light of what we just saw on Friday with that smackdown of SLV, well, SLV today finished up 2.2%, GLD almost 1%. I think this is the free market here trying to do its one and only job of establishing a fair value. Are they going to smack this down again? You know what? I kind of hope they do. Good. Let them do what they got to do, because I can promise you, let them play their game. We're going to play ours. World central banks are going to continue to inflate like I've been saying forever. Bet against this debt. Become your own central bank. That's it. You want to be a dollar bill here? You got to be high. High. Because the Federal Reserve has promised to create inflation. I believe they're going to try to do that. They're going to kill the dollar. There's a currency war going on here. No doubt about it. So, for you dollar bills out there, you stay your dollar bill. As for me, and anyone with a couple of functioning brain cells, we know exactly what we should be doing here. It's very, very simple. Alright, so let's just put this all together here. It's incredible here. The game here is risk on. No doubt about it. And that means we need to ride this wave. Opportunity is abounding, people. Everywhere you want to look, there is opportunity here. And that's what this is all about. For you, for me, I am determined that we will win. We are not, under this guy's watch, going to let the Wall Street banks beat us. It's just not going to happen, okay? They're going to play their games, and we're going to play our games better. I mean, there's just no doubt about it. And that's the way it's going to continue going here. As long as I can possibly have a say-so, I will continue to keep all of you on top of this to the best of my ability. Which, quite frankly, you have got to admit is scary accurate. And that's only because I study this stuff around the clock. And it's just so important because, I mean, I have tens of thousands of people that follow my work all over this world. And there's a reason for that, quite obviously. And I'm just so thankful for all of you out there. I really am. And that's why I go the extra mile to get these out, to keep you all on top of what is happening here, so we can rip the face off of this so completely and so cleanly that it will be, frankly, unrecognizable moving forward. Just real quick, a bunch of you have written to me about the free stock technical analyzer that I put on my website, and you love it. I am thrilled to hear that. Use this. I set it up for you, and I really hope you're taking advantage of it. Again, it's on my website, traderschoice.net. Down the center of the page, you're going to find it right there. Put in whatever ticker you want, and you can see some very important indicators there. And with just a little bit of knowledge here of understanding dynamics of these charts, frankly, you're going to make stupid amounts of money in this market here because it's laid out for us just like it's an open book. It's an open book. We know what's going to happen before it happens. Like I said Saturday, expect this market to hit record high. We hit another record high today. I said expect volatility to drop. Volatility dropped. I mean, it's just incredible, people. The opportunities for us to change our lives here with just a couple, and all you need is maybe three functioning brain cells, and we can pull this off, and we're going to. All right, with that said, see you tomorrow morning. Over and out.